On January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, we reached the last few centimeters of water. They continuously pumped water out of the boat, and on January 4, after 36 hours of continuous pumping, they pumped out so much of water from inside the boat, and they are left with a few centimeters of water now. Now we had only to keep pace with the water still coming in. Now they had only to do something, and it is they need to keep pace. They need to keep pumping out that much of water, which amount is coming inside the boat. जितना पानी बोट के अंदर आ रहा है उतना पानी को उनको बाहर निकालते जाना पड़ेगा, so that they will be safe. We could not set any sail on the mainmast. It was not possible for them to sail with the mainmast. Mainmast के साथ, मेन मस्तूल के साथ वो बोट को आगे नहीं ले जा सकते. Pressure on the rigging would simply pull the damaged section of the hull part. तो शिप के अंदर अगर दबाव पड़ेगा तो क्या होगा, जो डैमेज्ड सेक्शन है, जो ऑलरेडी डैमेज हो चुका है, वो और ज़्यादा डैमेज हो जाएगा, एंड इट विल जस्ट ब्रेक इनटू पीसेस. जो हिस्से पहले से टूटे फूटे थे वो फिर से क्या हो सकते थे, बिल्कुल टुकड़े टुकड़े हो जाते अगर वो मेन मस्तूल के साथ फिर से आगे बढ़ते तो. So we hoisted the storm jib and headed for where I thought the two islands were. And thinking all this, they hoisted the storm jib. उन्होंने storm jib को ही लगाकर उसी के सहारे वो लोग आगे बढ़ते गए. And they moved in that direction in which they thought they are going to go to the island. They are going to reach the island. Mary found some corned beef and cracker biscuits, and we ate our first meal in almost 2 days. और 2 दिन तक मेहनत करने के बाद they had nothing to eat for last 2 days. Okay, and after 2 days they had their first breakfast. And what were they eating? Corned beef and cracker biscuits. But our respite was short-lived. At 4 p.m., black clouds began building up behind us. Within the hour, the wind was back to 40 knots and the seas were getting higher. लेकिन उनका जो राहत था वो ज़्यादा समय तक नहीं था. At 4 p.m., what happened? At 4 p.m., black clouds began building up. At 4 p.m., again, black clouds were there in the sky. Within hour, और कुछ ही घंटों में, the wind was back to 40 knots. हवा और 40 knots में बहने लगा. And the seas were getting higher, and the waves became higher once again. The weather continued to deteriorate throughout the night. और रात भर मौसम और बिगड़ता रहा. And by dawn on January 5, our situation was again desperate. And in the morning of January 5th, they found themselves in a desperate condition. बहुत बुरे हालात में वो पाए गए 5 जनवरी को. When I went in to comfort the children, John asked, "Daddy, are we going to die?" So at this time, when the writer went inside to comfort the children, at the time his son John asked him, "Daddy, are we going to die?" I tried to assure him that we could make it. The writer tried to assure him. Writer उसको समझाने की बुझाने की कोशिश किए. But Daddy, he went on. But John went on saying, "We're not afraid of dying if we can all be together, you and Mummy, Sue and I." But once again the boy said that we are not at all afraid of dying if we are all together, you, Mummy, Sue and I. अगर हम चारों साथ में रहेंगे तो हमें मरने से भी डर नहीं लगेगा.